Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok without VPN. So in order to get the access to the TikTok without the VPN, you need to go to the settings, and in the settings there's a top section, there's a search settings, type that DNS, private DNS, and right over here you could see the private DNS option. Tap on that and tap on the private DNS right over here. And in the bottom here we could see we have to select the private DNS provider hostname, and we need to enter the hostnet of DNS provider and simply need to type down the same 1.1 and make sure that you use the correct form, and after that you need to tap on the save option. Or if it's not supported, you could also do the google.com and enter to the save, tap on the save option, and then you'll be able to fix the TikTok issue. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.